Hey guys, it's Giggle Wheels, and I haven't posted in a long time, but something big happened today, and I'm going to be showing you guys the new rear-wheel drive Audi R8. So here is the new Audi R8 rear-wheel sport V10. Just picked it up today, or my dad picked it up today, and picked me up from school in it. And we had seen it at the Audi dealership, and someone was buying it, but it fell through. So my dad decided to sell the Porsche and the Demon to get this. So this is the car, and next will be some exhaust clips and some Revs.